Hey guys, how's it going? It's Riley. Ignore the hair. It's definitely time to get to switch all this out. But this is the items that I have received from Superhairpieces. First and foremost, when you get your hair system, it will come in a bag. And I know it's probably backwards, but the hair system that I have is the M101V. This is a poly skin, as you can see. Previously, I've done all lace because, like I said, I live in the state of Florida, so it's very hot. But I like the poly skin better just because it's more natural looking. The hairlines are more natural and everything like that. Other than that, these are the products that I have received. I've gotten the Back to Natural. So we have the shampoo and the conditioner. And then I also have the leave-in conditioner, which is super great. And then I also have this. I've never tried this before. Actually, I've never tried these products before, but I'm super excited to try them. This is Back to Naturals, restores natural youthful color. So what I've seen online and read reviews about, that you do normal, traditionally shampoo and conditioner, then you do this. So like I said in the beginning, I do live in Florida, so the hairpiece will naturally lighten up with the sunlight. So I'm actually really excited to try this because I hope that it will keep the hair system natural and full of color. And I'm obviously gonna use it on my natural hair too as well, since I am dyeing it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wet the hairpiece with not super hot water, more like, not really lukewarm either. You wanna do it where it's cold, like cold enough, because again, it is natural hair. So I'm just gonna get it wet. Just dunk it all in here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Yes, you can. All I'm gonna do is just gently lift it. I don't know if you can see how it's just kind of lifting on its own. Like it's like I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna go more in the camera, and then it's just gonna come right off. As you can see, there's a bunch of glue. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean all this up. And since it's just glue and tape, you can use some of the lace release, or if you have the C22, you can use that. Or just get yourself a spray bottle and just spray your head down with water, kind of get that glue up. The spots that I shaved, and just make sure it's clean. Just make sure there's no hair. You want to make sure that you have yourself some rubbing alcohol. And then what I use as well is a scalp protector. It just makes the glue stay a little bit better, and especially if you are in the hotter climates, it definitely does help. And I'm gonna just put the rubbing alcohol on the cotton ball, and then just rub it out through my head. Put a little bit of this on my head. I'm gonna use the silicone brush, and I'm gonna put glue throughout my entire top of my head. Let it dry. When you know it's dry is when it's clear, 100%. If it's clear and you put your finger and it's tacky, then you're good to go. If you stick your finger and your finger kind of sticks, and then you lift it and it's got that glue kind of like a cheese pull, that's not what you want. You want to make sure that it's dry. So like I said, I'm going to do 2 layers of that, and then we'll install the hair system. First and foremost is I'm going to put some tape. That's all that I do. And like I said, I leave the hairline because I will do it myself. I will fix it. I'm also going to fix the side hairline just a little bit, just to make it a little bit sharper. Okay, so now the glue is good. It's tacky, and now I have the hair system. There's tape on there. I have a mirror right here. So I'm gonna see where my hairline is. Just gonna take it and line it up. And then what you could do as well, since this skin is stretchy, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Since the skin is stretchy, you kind of want to pull it a little bit to the sides to match, and you want to make sure that it's flat, that like the middle part stays as flat as you possibly can, because you don't want any weird bumps or anything like that in your hair. So I'm just trying to stretch it as best as I can. And then just pat it down. And make sure that the hair is not sticking to the front. So we're gonna fix it a little bit. So I'm just gonna brush it a little bit. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna mess with it a little bit more just to make sure that it's in the style that I want, and it will dry, so once it dries it's gonna look even better. That's about it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, obviously feel free to leave your comments down in this video or reach out to Super Hair Pieces. Go to superhairpieces.com and definitely get yourself a nice hair system. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.